What is horror? Not the cheap jump scares or audio cues building up to a predictable reveal. True horror. It's a rare commodity in modern media. One word I keep returning to when I think of horror is dread. I'm going to show you a clip from the show Generation Kill that, in my opinion, truly captures this feeling of dread. Through this clip and my explanation, I hope to bring you closer to the understanding I have of what dread really means. Generation Kill is a gritty miniseries about US Marines from the 1st Recon Battalion during the 2003 invasion of Iraq. Based on the Evan Wright's book of the same name, it explores the chaos, camaraderie, and the absurdity of modern-day war. The show highlights their humor, frustration with leadership, and the moral dilemma of combat. It captures the clash between training and reality, showing the human cost of war with sharp dialogue and realism. It offers an unflinching look at life on the front lines. The scene I want to show you takes part in episode 2, titled The Cradle of Civilization. In this section of the episode, it shows the Battle of Nasiriyah, which took place on March 33rd to March 29th, 2003. During the war in Iraq, US Marines and Army units fought to capture the city while advancing forward to Baghdad. The battle involved heavy resistance from the Iraqi forces and ambushes, including the capture of US soldiers. Despite challenges, the city was eventually secured by US forces. It's in this section which the scene that I want to talk about appears. I'll be showing it you now in full, unedited.
How's it going? They shot one of my Marines in the stomach out there. We returned fire, blew a donkey's head off. He didn't see much else.
Hey, buddy, do you need anything? Food, water?
It's all good, bro.
That's it. No audio stinger, no dramatic music, and most importantly, no resolution. We never see the character again, and I don't think he even has a name. This character is clearly showing early signs of PTSD. I feel this moment perfectly encapsulates what war is truly about. You don't get the neat resolutions that you see in movies or shows. Sometimes they call you a hero, sure, but that doesn't help you sleep at night. That doesn't stop you from scaring your friends at social gatherings, and it won't bring your friends back. Say what you want about the war in Iraq, unjustified as it was, but there were still men and women sent to that desert to die, and no matter how many people you think came back from that war, many of them never truly leave. I doubt this character ever did either.